In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set download quality on YouTube. Before we begin, here's what this setting does. Download quality controls how sharp your offline videos look and how much storage they use. Higher quality means clearer video and larger file sizes, while lower quality saves space and downloads faster. Note that offline downloads are available to eligible accounts and regions, often as part of YouTube Premium. If the downloads option isn't visible, that may be why. Start by opening YouTube and heading to your account menu. You'll find it at the top right of the screen as your profile picture. Click it to reveal your account options. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use for downloading videos, so the setting applies where you expect it to. Next, click on Settings. This opens the main preferences area where YouTube keeps all the controls that affect your viewing, playback, and storage. If you're on a different device layout, look for a gear icon or the word Settings in the menu you just opened. Inside Settings, select Downloads. This is the hub for everything related to saving videos for offline viewing. It's where you can choose quality, and on some devices, you might also see options related to storage or data usage tied to downloads. Now choose your preferred download quality. Depending on your device and account, you'll typically see options like higher picture quality for crisper video, data saver to conserve space and bandwidth, or a specific resolution such as 720p or 1080p when available. Pick the option that best balances clarity with the storage you have available. If you plan to watch on a small screen or need lots of videos offline, a lower setting can be a smart choice. If you watch on a larger display or care about fine detail, go higher. Keep in mind that higher quality takes longer to download and uses more storage. A couple of helpful notes as you choose. This setting applies to future downloads, so anything you've already saved will keep its current quality. You can return to this menu anytime to adjust if your needs change, like when traveling or freeing up space. Also, download availability and maximum quality can vary by video and device. If you don't see the download section, make sure you're signed in, check that your app or browser is up to date, and confirm that downloads are supported for your account in your region. That's it. You've set your YouTube download quality, and you're ready to save videos in the way that works best for you.